Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I hope everybody's been doing well. I'm late, I know I haven't been here, but my intentions are always to come back. Just busy, but I hope y'all have been doing great. Now today I'm just going to be making up a easy breakfast, dinner, or lunch. It's all things you get in the freezers and the grocery aisles where you don't got to make your own gravy. By all means, you can make everything homemade, but we're doing a biscuit. We're doing a breakfast bowl, and it's convenient when you just don't feel like, making your own biscuits. You don't feel like making your own gravy. You don't feel like frying potatoes. Just make you a bowl and get all the stuff from the store and it's a breakfast bowl, but I'm putting it on the plate so y'all can see it better. But I'm using packaged gravy. As I said, if y'all don't like it, make your own. It's just an idea. It's not really a recipe, but a lot of us look for ideas, right? So I'm just using some frozen bagged biscuits. Bake them up, follow your directions. I'm using some packaged white gravy. I fried me up I fried them up crispy. Some tater tots. I cut me up some sausage, breakfast sausage, crumbled it and fried it. Now you could put the sausage right in your gravy, but some don't like sausage, so I just do it separate. And I have my gravy, my white gravy made up here. So I'm going to assemble this, and I have some cheese. I'm going to assemble it because I need to get the cheese melted on it, so I'll pop it in the microwave once I get it assembled. I'm just going to pop my biscuit on there, put my gravy, sausage, tots, cheese, melt it, and we'll be back. Okay, friends, there is our breakfast bowl, just that simple. You could put some scrambled eggs in there if you want, or a fried egg right on top. But it's good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But anyway, these are nice and crispy, even after I put it in the microwave, just to get the cheese nice and melty. But it's there. This goes to the husband. Like I said, I'm sorry I missed y'all last week. I'm trying, y'all. But until then, everything you need for this, I'll put it in the description. Use whatever amount you want. What's good for your family. But I'll put everything there, what I used. That's about it. You guys have a blessed morning. And stay safe. Love one another. Eat well. And we will see you all soon. I love y'all, and I thank you guys. If you're new, please subscribe if you're enjoying the channel. Make you some up. Bye-bye. I don't even think I said bye-bye, but I don't even think I told y'all how I assembled it. Biscuits on the bottom, gravy. You could put it whatever you want, assemble it how you want. But biscuit, gravy, sausage. Put your tots, more gravy, more sausage, and cheese. Bye-bye.